In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple drum beat in BandLab. Now to do this, you want to go and click on Add Track over here inside your project and then click on Drum Machine. So when you open up the drum machine, it's going to look like this. It's going to ask you, of course, if you want to use any of these beat starters, you of course can go and click on any of these, for example, this one, and if I play it for you, it sounds like this. There we go, but of course you can go and start from scratch as well. So I'm actually going to delete this and I'm going to go and start from scratch. So click on drum machine and then empty to start from scratch. From here you can then go and of course create or make your own simple drum beat. So you can go and first select the instrument. I'm going to leave this at the 808, but of course you could do anything. You have drum pads and drum kits as well. I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm just going to go and do something random, okay? So you can go ahead and see if you hover over this, it's going to show you what there is. So here we have the kick, we have the floor tom, we have the snare, etc. Okay, you can hover it and you'll see exactly what that is. Now, of course, you can click and switch it as well if you want to, and if you hover over it, it's going to play whatever that is. There we go. Okay, so I'm going to leave it like it is, and I'm actually going to go and do a random one. I'm going to do it like that. Okay, then we're going to add this one over here. So the floor tom, I'm going to do, for example, like this, and then like this, and then like this as well. Then we're going to go and actually add like a hi-hat over here, and then over here as well. And then I'm going to go and do some, let's do this, for example, I don't know, maybe like this mid-tom as well, okay? Like that. So this may sound awful, but you get the point. I'm now going to go and click on this button to actually play this. There we go. Okay, that's my drum pattern. So the simple drum beat. Of course, you could also go and change things. You have the option to basically click here to actually allow you to basically change things. So this is going to allow you to kind of change the velocity. Okay, so if you go to this, you can go and start. If you go to V, you can then go and of course change the velocity of your specific one. So you can just keep on clicking and it's going to change the velocity. As you can see, the different colors mean a different velocity of your notes over here. Okay. I'm actually going to go and put this on so we can hear the difference. There we go. You can hear the difference in the back, okay? Then the length can, of course, be selected. 1 bar, 2 bars, whatever. You can select whatever you need. Then you have this swing, which allows you to, of course, put more or less swing on there. That's kind of going to change the punch. And then if you want to go ahead and change patterns, you have a bunch of ones. You have A, B, C, D, E, etc. And you can use all of these to basically create your own beats, okay? And what's also good is if you click and drag, it's going to allow you to basically just draw your beat out like that, okay? Now you could also go and use the effects down here if you want to add those on here, but that's essentially how to make a simple drum beat, okay? So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.